Hello and welcome to the ultimate guide to online dating for new relationships. In today's digital age, online dating has become a popular way for people to meet and connect with potential partners. With countless dating apps and websites available, it can be overwhelming to navigate the online dating scene. That's why I've created this guide to help you navigate the world of online dating and build meaningful relationships. Whether you're new to online dating or looking to improve your existing approach, this guide will provide you with practical tips and strategies to help you succeed. So, let's get started. Section 1. Choosing the right dating platform. The first step in online dating is choosing the right dating platform. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to decide which one to use. Here are some factors to consider when making your decision. Purpose. Different dating platforms cater to different purposes. Some are geared towards casual hookups, while others are focused on more serious relationships. Be clear on your intentions and choose a platform that aligns with your goals. Demographics. Some dating platforms attract certain demographics more than others. For example, some platforms may have a predominantly younger user base, while others may cater to older individuals. Consider the demographics of the platform before signing up. Features. Each platform has unique features that may or may not appeal to you. For instance, some platforms have compatibility quizzes, while others have video chat capabilities. Research the features of different platforms to determine which ones are important to you. Section 2. Creating your profile. Your online dating profile is essentially your first impression, so it's important to make it count. Here are some tips for creating a profile that stands out. Choose a good profile picture. Your profile picture is the first thing people will see, so choose a high-quality image that showcases your best self. Write a captivating bio. Your bio should give potential matchers an idea of who you are and what you're looking for. Be honest, concise, and engaging. Be yourself, don't try to be someone you're not. Your authentic self is what will attract the right people to you. Highlight your interests, including your hobbies and interests in your profile can help you connect with people who share similar passions. Section 3. Navigating the online dating scene. Once you've created your profile, it's time to start browsing potential matches. Here are some tips for navigating the online dating scene. Don't be too picky. While it's important to have standards, don't be too picky when it comes to potential matches. You may be surprised by who you end up connecting with. Take your time, don't rush into anything. Take your time getting to know someone before agreeing to meet in person. Keep an open mind, be open to meeting people outside of your usual type. You may be pleasantly surprised by who you connect with. Practice good online etiquette, treat others with respect and kindness. Avoid sending unsolicited explicit messages, and be mindful of others' boundaries. Section 4. Moving from online to offline. If you've been chatting with someone online and feel like you've built a connection, it may be time to take things offline. Here are some tips for transitioning from online to offline. Don't wait too long. While it's important to take your time getting to know someone, you don't want to wait too long before meeting in person. Aim to meet within a couple of weeks of first connecting online. Choose a public place. When meeting someone for the first time, choose a public place where you feel comfortable and safe. Be yourself, just as you were yourself online. Be yourself when meeting in person. Don't try to be someone you're not. Have fun. Remember, dating should be fun. Try to enjoy the experience and don't put too much pressure on yourself or the other person. Section 5. Maintaining a healthy online relationship. Once you've established a connection with someone, it's important to maintain a healthy relationship both online and offline. Here are some tips for doing so. Communicate openly. Communication is key in any relationship, so make sure to communicate openly and honestly with your partner. If something is bothering you, address it respectfully and without blame. Set boundaries. Boundaries are important in any relationship, and online relationships are no exception. Be clear about your boundaries and respect your partner's boundaries as well. Don't rely solely on technology. While technology is a great way to stay connected, it's important to also spend time together in person. Make plans to see each other regularly and prioritize quality time. Trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right, trust your instincts. Don't ignore red flags or warning signs, and always prioritize your safety and well-being. That's all for today's video on the ultimate guide to online dating for new relationships. I hope you found these tips and strategies helpful in navigating the world of online dating and building meaningful connections with others. Remember, online dating can be a fun and exciting way to meet new people, but it's important to approach it with care and consideration. By following the advice in this guide, you can set yourself up for success and find the relationship you're looking for. Thank you for watching, and happy dating. Thanks for watching.